asking me, whatever happened to soul music? I just smile, because they're looking in the wrong place. Soul was never trapped inside a record. It never lived inside a jukebox or a radio. Soul has always lived in ordinary people with extraordinary hearts. Every time love chose forgiveness, every time neighbors stood together, every time a child learned right from wrong, every time a voice sang from the heart instead of for applause. That's where you'll find the sound that touched the soul. Whoa. I found it in a mother humming softly through the day, in a father's tied hands that never walked away, in children chasing dreams beneath the summer sky, and strangers lifting strangers when the tears were hard to hide. I heard it in the laughter echoing down the block, on front porches where every heart knew how to talk. Old folks smiling in their rocking chairs, young hearts dancing without a single care. Every wave and every how you been felt like family before we called them friends. It wasn't just the music that carried us along, it was the love we gave each other that made us all belong. We never lost the rhythm, we just stopped listening. We never lost the feeling, it was living deep within. So open up your heart and let the memories breathe. You'll hear that timeless melody waiting where it's always been. That's the sound that touched the soul. The sound that touched the soul. A melody of love. A melody of love. More precious than gold. From every helping hand to every caring heart. That beautiful sound has never drifted far. That's the sound. Still lifting every generation. The sound that touched the soul. Building hope across the nation. As long as love keeps singing, its story will be told. Forever we'll remember the sound that touched the soul. It was never just a record spinning round and round. It was every helping hand lifting someone from the ground. It was Sunday morning, church service, Friday night at the drive-in movie theater, backyard barbecues and laughter, music drifting through the air from the first beat of a heartbeat to the last prayer whispered low. Every generation proves real soul still grows. The songs may change, but the truth remains. Love still heals and kindness still sustains. Don't tell me the fire is fading when I can see it in your eyes. Don't tell me the dream is over when hope is still alive. As long as one heart keeps believing, as long as one voice still stands, we'll keep this rhythm moving, hand in hand. Because soul isn't yesterday, soul is every new sunrise. It lives wherever love is chosen, and compassion never dies. That's the sound. Oh, that's the sound. Oh, that's the sound. The sound that touched the in broken people whole, from the young to the old, across every road we've known. Love is still the melody that leads us home. That's the sound.
Hear the people sing,
Hands together.
touching harmony.
That's the sound.
Never let it go.
As long as love keeps living, we'll always know.